Today we're going to show you how to factory reset your Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robotic vacuum. Whether you're running into issues or just setting it up for someone new, we'll walk you through the whole process step by step. You might want to reset your Eufy vacuum if it's having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi, if you're switching phones, or if you're handing it off to someone else and want to start fresh. A factory reset wipes all previous settings and gets it back to its original state. This can also help if the vacuum is acting sluggish or if it's not responding properly to commands. Here's how to do it. It's actually super quick. First, locate the two main buttons on the vacuum itself, the home button and the spot cleaning button. Press and hold both buttons at the same time for about 3 seconds. You should hear a voice prompt that says something like, "Wi-Fi has been reset." That's your signal that the factory reset worked. Once you hear that, let go of the buttons. At this point, your vacuum has been fully reset. All your previous settings are cleared, including your Wi-Fi setup, cleaning schedules, and any customized preferences. So make sure you're ready to start from scratch before doing this. Remember, you'll need to reconnect the vacuum to your Wi-Fi network and resync it with the app before it can start cleaning again. Now, open the Eufy app on your phone and set the vacuum up as if it's brand new. Reconnect it to Wi-Fi, adjust your cleaning schedules, and configure any other settings you like. This process ensures the vacuum runs smoothly and fixes most connection or functionality issues. You can also take this opportunity to explore any new features or updates in the app that you may not have used before. Only perform the reset when the vacuum is powered on and on a flat surface. Make sure the battery has enough charge so it doesn't shut down mid-reset. And if you're passing it to someone else, remember that they'll need to redo the app setup from the beginning. This also gives you a chance to clean the vacuum and make sure it's ready for optimal performance. And that's it. Factory resetting your Eufy X10 Pro is fast, easy, and can solve a lot of connection or software issues. If this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips and tutorials. Happy tech using!